One take. People need to learn fucking boundaries. As a person with attachment issues, as my parents say, I usually cling on to my friends and I don't know anybody in the room. I honestly think that's completely fine. But some of my friends do the same to me. But one of my friends has gotten to the point where I genuinely feel enraged as fuck. Like, they still try to fucking talk to me, whether I'm in a dog good mood or bad mood. If I'm in a really bad mood, and ask them to leave me alone. They leave me alone for a day or two, then come running back to me. It got so bad that around December of 2025, I stopped being friends with them for 0.2 months. If any of you watching do this, to your friends at least. Try to stop. Give them some space. If they ask you to leave themselves alone. This is Cocoa, exiting the stage.